Hello and welcome to the inside of a Saab 90. This is my latest acquisition. Bit of a unexpected buy really. I didn't expect to win it at the price I got it for on eBay. It's got a few little problems here and there, but I'm slowly getting through them. I had a respray in 2020. Looks very nice inside and out. There's a bit of scuffs here and there, but it's a proper classic. It's got a choke and everything. 90 is a bit of a weird car, of course. It's a crossbreed between the Saab 99 and the Saab 900. So the front end is a Saab 99, which is, to be honest with you, I'd say it's prettier than a 900. Just a personal opinion. And then the rear end of the 900, so you get the more spacious comfort that comes with that. The 90 only came with a near enough 100 horsepower single carbureted engine. It's the standard Saab H engine. I couldn't give you the exact number, but in terms of power to weight, it's actually fine. It's reasonably quick. It's got apparently a 0 to 60 near enough 10 seconds. It's nice. This particular one has had some upgrades, you could say. It's had the 99 turbo steering wheel fitted. Excuse me. It's also had leather seats inside fitted as well. So they're also heated, which actually work, which is a surprise for a car this age. 1985. No aircon, which is fine, although I'm a bit warm right now, even though it is raining, middle of summer. And yeah, it's actually a really nice drive. Bit noisy, but it's an old car. What can you say? In terms of miles per gallon, I think it's getting low 30s. Again, there's no trip computer on it, and to be honest with you, I haven't driven it enough really to be able to work that out mathematically yet either. Bought it sort of North Oxford on eBay. Again, I didn't expect to win it. I put in a bid which I thought would not win it, and I won it. So there we go. There was got a car, got another car. It's nice. I'm not going to daily this car. It's just a bit too nice for that, I think, really, as this sort of classic. And I've also got the Focus ST still. So you know, with all its creature comforts. So no need to do that. In terms of what I've done on this already, I've given it a full service, and I've also done a coolant change on it, along with thermostat, and also the radiator switch as well, just because the heater with, you know, the temperature was going all over the place, which now seems to be fixed. It does get looks, I would say that. Lots of thumbs up, lots of smiley faces. I think people quite like to see a Saab of this age actually in use on the road. Yeah, pretty good. In terms of problems it's got now, the handbrake is a bit useless, so that needs some fixing. Handbrake, of course, on this is a bit weird. It's on the front brakes, so a bit different. This also has upgraded alloys, which I do not believe ever came with the 90 in the first place. See pictures that I've just put in here. You do have to run this on the expensive fuel mind, but that's fine. There we go, it's a car that age, you expect to. In terms of problems as well, the odometer and the speedo do not work. So I've got a GPS HUD on screen just so I know what speed I'm actually going at. This particular Saab was also optioned with a radio, and it works, which is amazing. But it's got a tape deck, so I do need to get one of those tape to jack to iPhone converters, and then I can listen to my music directly through the radio. Otherwise I could use just one of those 12-volt adapter to radio transmitter things, but they're not great, and doing it direct to tape's probably better audio quality as well. Yeah. Anyway, please do let me know what you think of this. I don't think I'm going to do much to it other than get it all fixed up. I'm probably going to sell it in the next couple of months. I can't really hang on to it. It's I think it's too nice to be left on the drive. It should probably be garaged somewhere, which I don't unfortunately have the space for. So please do comment down below, like the video, and do subscribe. Thank you much.